Hello everyone and welcome to the laser head adjustment tutorial. Today you'll be learning how to adjust your Dremel laser head. Always begin with the laser head away from the material. Materials have varying heights, and we never want to move the laser head over the material before it has been adjusted completely up, in case it bumps into the material at the height level it's currently at when you first begin using the laser cutter. The first thing you'll want to do is find the yellow knob right here on the left side of your laser head. This knob can be used to move your laser head up and down. To move the laser head, take the knob and twist it backwards away from you. While you are doing this, be very gentle with the laser head and make sure it never moves too far up, down, too suddenly, or bumps into anything. Any of these actions can hurt the laser head. Once the laser head knob is loosened, pull the laser head up towards the roof of the laser. Once it's in place at top position, screw the knob back into place and make sure it's completely tightened. Once the laser head is in top position, you can move the laser over the material. Place the laser head somewhere in the center of the material and make sure the material is completely level at every point. Once your laser is in position, you'll be using an adjustment puck to bring it to the right height above the material. To use the puck, place it directly beneath the laser head until you see the red dot align with the center of the puck. With the puck in place, you will again be loosening the knob and slowly guiding the laser head down towards the puck until it's resting on it. Once it's resting on the puck, the laser head is at the correct height, and you can tighten the knob back into place. With the laser head adjusted, you may now remove the puck and return it to where you found it within the Makerspace. You are now prepared to cut and engrave with the laser cutter. Make sure to go through this process with each new material you use, and make sure that your materials are safe and level. Thank you for watching this video.